Bonjour tout le monde. Hello everyone. In today's lesson, we will learn les adjectifs démonstratifs, means demonstrative adjectives. So before beginning with the lesson, I request you all to take a few seconds and click on the subscribe button now. Thank you all for subscribing. Now let's begin with the topic les adjectifs démonstratifs. So demonstrative adjectives are the words which point out to a specific object or a person. These are used to denote the identity of a particular noun. So like in English, these words can be translated to this, that, these or those. Now, demonstrative adjectives also depend on the gender and the number of the noun. So let us see a few examples in English. This house is beautiful. In this sentence, this is the word which is used to point out to a specific house. Then, that boy is handsome. I want these shoes. So this, that, these are the words in the sentences which tell us that it is pointing out to a specific noun. Now, there are four demonstrative adjectives which are used on the basis of the gender and number of the noun. So, the first one is sir, which is used with masculine singular nouns. Example, ce livre, ce stylo. Then next, the feminine singular demonstrative adjective is cette. So, for example, cette robe, cette chaise. Both the nouns are feminine, so we will use the demonstrative adjective cette. Third one, cet, the pronunciation is same, cette. It is used with a masculine singular noun which starts with a vowel. So, example, cet ami, cet homme. All these three adjectives, ce, cette and cette, the meaning of these is this or that because these are used with singular nouns. Then lastly, the adjective say. This is used with all plural nouns, masculine plural as well as feminine plural, meaning these or those. Example, c'est kahiye, c'est gomme. So here are a few examples. First one, ce livre, meaning this book or that book. Livre being a masculine singular noun, ce is used. Then cette maison means this house or that house. Maison is a feminine noun, so cette. Third one, ces cahiers means these notebooks or those notebooks. Cahier is a plural noun over here. And lastly, cet arbre. Arbre is a masculine singular noun starting with a vowel. So we use the adjective cet. Because two vowels we cannot pronounce together, two vowel sounds. That is why se changes to cet for masculine singular nouns beginning with a vowel. Now here are a few sentences where we have to fill in the demonstrative adjectives. So first one, j'aime cette robe. Now here we see robe is the noun which is a feminine singular noun. So as we have just learned that the adjective cette will be used with feminine singular nouns. Then next one, tu veux ce portable. Portable is a masculine singular noun, so the demonstrative adjective ce. Third, nous prenons ce manteau. Manteau here is a plural noun, so plural demonstrative adjective ce. Next, cet enfant est méchant. Enfant masculine singular noun starting with a vowel. So cet. We cannot use sir because, as we have just learned, two vowel sounds cannot be pronounced together. So it will not be sir enfant, it is cette enfant. Then, elle achète cette jupe. Again, jupe is a feminine singular noun, so cette. And lastly, il reste à cet hôtel. Hôtel beginning with a vowel and singular noun, so the demonstrative adjective cet. So I hope you all have understood the topic les adjectifs démonstratifs. Feel free to ask any questions or to give a feedback. Please leave a comment in the comment section below. And don't forget to like and subscribe the channel. Merci beaucoup.